Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to trim a wooden door. I've got this area carpeted yesterday. Carpet installers don't deal with your doors. They just leave you with a dragging door or not even moving at all doors. So I have two doors to cut down. I can't even open this door. As you can see, it's totally dragging on the carpet. Well, thankfully I can handle that. And so can you. Cutting down or trimming a wood door is really not that hard. Of course, there were some challenges like this, but these doors were heavy, all solid wood, and I was by myself. It would definitely be wiser if you get help when you do this. After a bit of a struggle, I managed to set the door on my sawhorse bench. I taped the door before I made my cut to avoid any splitting of the wood. I made two mistakes while cutting this first door, which I fixed on the second door. You will see what I mean soon. I marked the cut lines. I'm cutting 3/4 of an inch of this door. Draw a straight line between the marks. Then I used this piece of wood as a guide for my circular saw so I could make a straight cut. Even though my saw has a laser guide light, I don't trust my hands. I set the wood 4 inches away from the cut line. That's because my circular saw from this edge to its blades, it has a 4 inches distance. I secured the wood to the door with clamps. In the meantime, please don't forget to give a like to this video if you get any value out of it. I really appreciate the support. Door is ready for cut. Here is the two mistakes about to happen that I mentioned earlier. Well, first I got lazy and I didn't change my circular saw's blade and cut the door with a framing blade, which is for rough cuts. I should have used the finishing blade, but I thought I could get away with it. And the second mistake is I didn't adjust my sawhorse height. It was too high for me to reach to the end to exit the cut nice and straight. So my saw opened up from the wooden support as I exit the cut. But this is really not a big deal. I can fix this easily with the hand planer. Now let's look at the other issue. See if I chipped anything, and I'm sure I did. You see, this is what happened because I used the framing blade. Even putting a tape didn't help. But thankfully it's only right here. Here is the piece of cutout I had. This is my hand planer. I'm going to apply some wax to make it move easier. I don't have an electric planer. That would have been very useful right now if I did. Problem here is I'm not going to be able to use it like this and put pressure. I'm going to use it sideways. That means it'll be harder this way. That's why I'm applying some wax to make it move smoother, because I can't really apply any pressure on it since it's sideways. But it's working fine. It will just take some time. I also have this mini tiny hand planer. It actually does a good job. So I finished it up with some light sanding and I was done. Now I'm off the second door. Carpet installers put this door back. I have no idea why. It can't even be used. It's like stuck in the middle. These are old style hinges. You can't hit from the bottom with a nail setter. You have to do it this way because the bottom is closed. I need to lubricate these pins when I'm installing back. Even though carpet installers remove this door, still hard to take these pins out. Hinges were really sticky with layers of old paint. This is an old door, so it's normal. Finally it's out. This was so much lighter to carry because it's a smaller door. Again, same process. I'm gonna tape it and put the support for my blade. I also adjusted my sawhorse height. So this is the other blade, framing blade that chipped my door. Now I changed that. Now I have the finishing blade. Hopefully I'll get a better result with this. You see, it has finer teeth. That's what you need. Okay, this time I'm gonna do a better job. Perfect. This was a successful cut. Now we'll see about the chipping. I'm going to remove the tape and see if anything is chipped. Nope. Looks like very nice and clean. Yes, perfect. No problem at all. Here it is. Nice and clean. This is the cutout. It's bigger than the other door. This is a closet door, so I wanted some airflow underneath. Before I install the door, I am going to lubricate these pins with WD-40. All I have left is to hang the door back. I joined the hinges by using my foot as a support. Then I drop the pins back into place. Couple of taps. And voila! I have a functioning door. Well, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!